Hey loves, welcome or welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite low vision friend K back with another video. Now, if you haven't already, please go like, share, subscribe, and comment down below what video ideas you want me to do next. Now, I know in the title it says ponytail and I got a bun. Okay? You're gonna see my struggle. You will. So if you want to see the specs and the details on this ponytail, keep on watching. I have the main concept Mega Brazilian human hair StyleMix ponytail. Her name is CEECEE Pony 32 and this is her on the stock card. Hopefully you was able to see that. Now, I would say I was a little bit disappointed in this unit. Now I still have her in the package. But to be honest, if I were to known this ponytail was a wrap, I wouldn't have got it. So I thought it would be interesting in showing y'all how I would normally do that, even though I don't like the wrap ponytails. But this is her. I have her in the color 1B. Now, to be honest, I spent on the website, it was about $14–15. But for the hair, I don't think it's worth that much because you don't get that much of hair. It did say it is heat resistance up to 300 degrees. I'm just finger detangling it, and already I'm experiencing some shedding. Now with me just finger detangling it, I did get shedding. I got about this much, hold on. I got about this much of shedding. So, that's me just finger detangling it.
Now, I didn't want to come on here completely with my hair kind of lumpified because I had my hair in twist, so I had to untwist it and detangle my hair first. And I'm not really too worried about the Eco Styler gel because I'm going to be washing my hair soon. But I just put some around the perimeter of my head. I just put the gel on. I don't really care about putting it in. I just put it on and then do it from the rest, basically.
Okay, so I'm back. I accidentally cut the hair, so it's gonna shed way more because of me doing that. But this is the reason why I do not like the wraps for ponytails, because the struggle, like these tracks, I can't, I don't like it. Because normally with the wrap ponytails, my mother does it for me. But I don't have her here, so this is my first time doing it by myself with a wrap pony. I prefer the pony with the combs and the drawstrings and whatnot. Especially being that I'm low vision. This is gonna be a trial and error tutorial, okay? Because I'm teaching myself right now.
3 hours later.
Can you move it along? I'm all out of time cards.
Okay, this was a trial and error. This ain't it. I think I messed up. I did it wrong. I don't know. But you see, it's not enough hair for one. Unless I needed more packs. And I was not about to spend that much for just a ponytail. I mean, hold on. I'm about to makeshift this thing. I know what I'm about to do. Since this is a trial, because you see that my hair still is showing. So I'm about to just try something different.
Have it cover my hair.
So yeah, this a ponytail gone wrong, but I makeshifted to a bun. See, that's how you do that. So since I could not rock the ponytail, I turned this joker into a bun. Now, if you are able to deal with those wrap-up ponies, you can get this ponytail, but it ain't for me. I turned into a bun. You can't knock me for not trying, okay? So if you haven't already, please go like, share, subscribe, and comment down below which type of ponytails or wigs or whatever you want me to review next. And also comment any video ideas you want me to go over, because I notice predominantly my audience is male, and I'm making it for the females now. Thank you for, supporting, but you can subscribe, because some of y'all not subscribed to my channel, and I appreciate that, but you still watching my videos though. We not gonna get into that. But if you haven't already, go follow me on my Instagram, Natural Beauty K. And thank you for watching this video. I'll see y'all in my next one. Bye, loves.